Hello everybodies. This is video manual of programming and using SZIO62 controller. Connecting. First I run terminal application. I will use Termite. This is freeware and can be downloaded on compuphase.com. Controller connected, open connection in terminal and enter command save. Controller will be restarted and we will see in terminal started, that means that controller connected and ready to work. To view current configuration enter command conf and we get list of programmed inputs and outputs. Parameter D0S10 says that controller will not be resetted to factory defaults after restart. To reset controller enter command D0S11 and press enter. In console we see OK, that means that command written right. Next need to make hardware or software controller restart. For software restart enter command save in terminal we will see text default configuration loaded and then started. Enter again conf to see factory defaults. In factory defaults input equal output number. Only input 6 have single and double click configuration to output 7 and 8. Now let's try to configure inputs. For example on one input switch mode will be assigned 1 and 2 output. Enter command I1S3 12 million. I1S3 this is switch mode on first input, 1 and 2 is output port what will be used, another outputs must be 0. If command entered right we get OK in console. Saving config by entering save. After controller restart check config. Enter conf and we see what second output is also programmed in input 2 switch mode. This is not correct. Same outputs can't be programmed to separate inputs. In all not used inputs we need to change configuration to 0. Let's add another single click config on input 6 and double click config on input 5. Enter I6S1003000000 and I5S2000400000. Save. Check config. In our config we have I1S3 12 million, I5S2000400000, I6S1003000000, all other inputs have 0. Let's start testing. Controller on start always have on outputs plus 5 volts. When output is active power on it is 0 volts. And so we write command in 1_on and in terminal we get answer sin 1_on and on debboard can see that power loss on 1 and 2 output. Checking in 5_d, answer sin 5_d, and power loss on 4 output. In 6_s and power loss on 3 output. Now let's try to test from hardware buttons and check answers in terminal. Enabling one input and in terminal have answer sin 1_on, also output 1 and 2 loss power. Clicking on 6 input and in terminal have answer sin 6_s. Trying to double click on input 5 and in terminal get answer sin 5_d. After controller restart last status works only in switch mode inputs. That's all for now about SZ_IO62 controller. Everything is described in detail on the website in the section projects/SZ_IO62.